welcome to my YouTube channel. Ramadan Mubarak to everyone who is fasting this month. I wanted to share a few ingredients that are mentioned in the Quran that are not only great for your health and your body, but they're also amazing for your hair and your skin as well. I wanted to incorporate these ingredients in my beauty regime, so I thought I'd share with you guys as well. So let's get started. The first ingredient is...
There are several verses in the Quran talking about the 6 fruits of paradise, and bananas are one of them. Therefore, the availability of bananas in this world is considered a blessing. Now, everyone is aware of the essential nutrients that are packed in bananas, but not many people are aware that the banana peels also have amazing effects. The peels are obviously not to be ingested, but they are amazing for the skin. Rubbing a banana peel on your face can brighten and moisturize your skin. With daily use, it can also reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It also helps with acne scars and does combat acne as well. Now let's make the face mask. Now you do definitely want to incorporate the banana peels in the face mask and half of the banana as well. I'm also going to add some milk so it becomes more of a paste and it's easier to apply. Milk is also mentioned in the Quran. We all know that it is amazing for the skin. When you're using milk in skincare, you always want to make sure that it is full cream milk and it is non-homogenized and non-pasteurized as well. You can use bananas in your skincare despite the type of skin you have, but it is a really good DIY remedy for people who suffer from acne and want to get rid of acne scars. It does not look very appealing, but it is amazing for the skin. I put this mixture in the fridge for a little while, so when I was applying it, it had a very nice cooling effect. This mask can also be applied to your hair, and this will give you very soft and shiny hair. Wow, this mixture really does not look appealing. I did make a lot of it because I didn't want to waste the banana, but I'm going to refrigerate it so I can use it again.
Second ingredient is honey. Now it's always best to get all natural honey. I at the moment am trying to get rid of this honey. It's just one of the generic ones that you get in the shops. I'm slowly starting to incorporate more natural products.
Now it is well known that raw honey possesses antibacterial properties and also healing properties as well, which makes it amazing for acne prone skin. And it has also known to be used as a topical treatment on skin wounds, burns and abrasions. Honey also speeds up the skin cells, so the healing process is a lot faster. So here I'm adding some honey, some brown sugar and turmeric. Now I was originally making this a scrub, but it turned out to be a lot thinner than I expected. So if you would like to use this as a scrub, just add a little bit more brown sugar. I was using the brown sugar as an exfoliant in the scrub. Turmeric has a lot of similar properties as honey, so I wanted to use it as a booster, so this combination goes amazingly together. It also fights acne, it also promotes healing, and it provides a natural glow and balances out your skin tone. Honey is also great for your hair. If you guys are wanting a mask for hair growth, you can add mayonnaise to honey and apply that in your hair. The mayonnaise is excellent because it has oily and fatty acids, so it helps with hair growth, and so does honey. Pomegranates are mentioned 3 times in the Quran, and it is also amongst the fruits of paradise. It includes several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, B1, B2, B3 and C, which is basically what we look for in skincare. Vitamin C and vitamin A, also known as retinol, is all the hype these days. Pomegranates are a natural source of those vitamins. Pomegranates neutralize the effect of free radicals in our body. It is also an anti-aging plant, so it's great for skin, and it also helps regenerate your skin cells faster. Pomegranate seeds also contain panasic acid, which helps to strengthen hair follicles by stimulating circulation and improving blood flow to the scalp, and it also helps condition your hair as well. So if you don't have access to pomegranates, you can also use pomegranate seed oil, which is also great and contains those properties. Next time you try pomegranate, don't throw away the skin. Chop up the skin in little pieces and put it out in the sun to dry. It may take 5 to 10 days depending on how hot the climate is where you are. For me, it has been raining for the past 2 weeks and I've had my skin chopped up and it's just not drying, so I wasn't able to make this mask for you, but I will link a great recipe down below. Once your skin is dry, you grind it up into a really fine powder. You can make skin masks from it, and it's really beneficial for your skin. And you can also make tea, which is apparently meant to taste really good. I am yet to try it though. Once you've made your powder, you can use the powder, mix it with honey and olive oil and make it into a scrub. Or if you really want one for a youthful looking skin, you can use the peel powder, add rose water and milk and apply that as a mask.
The next ingredient is one of my favorites, that is apple cider vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar is amazing for hair. It restores the pH of your scalp, helps dry scalp, restores shine and prevents hair loss.
You have to make sure that it says that it's raw, unfiltered and unpasteurized as well. It's usually the one with the pulp at the bottom, and that's what's really good for you. Before you use it, shake it well. Make sure the lid is closed, because if you drop it, it smells really strong. I usually have 1 tablespoon of this diluted with water every night. It really boosts your immune system, but it's amazing for acne treatment as well. So I usually take a cotton tip and I dip it into the vinegar and I apply it on my breakouts. The next ingredient are dates.
Dates have been mentioned in the Quran more than 20 times. It contains vitamin C and D, which we all know is amazing for your skin. It helps the skin's elasticity and it also keeps your skin nice and smooth. They also have anti-aging properties and also prevent the accumulation of melanin in your body. And a good hair day is just a few dates away. English and iron dates provide blood circulation to the scalp, which helps the hair grow faster. For this mask, I'm using the dates and I'm going to take the pits out of the dates and also make sure that there's no worms inside. Guys, when you eat dates, you should always open them up before putting them in your mouth, because sometimes they have worms in them. And to make it into a paste, I'm using full cream milk. Now this actually, I think, broke my blender because I accidentally left a pit in there and it got into the mixture and it got jammed. So it didn't mix really well, but it still works efficiently.
The last ingredient is extra virgin olive oil.
Now, olive and olive trees are mentioned many times in the Quran, and extra virgin olive oil is often referred to a beauty secret. Besides being an excellent skin moisturizer, it also stimulates cell repair for firmer and smoother skin. It has many vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Olive oil also retains moisture in your hair and stimulates hair growth. It also protects your hair from pollution and strong sun rays.
And the secret ingredient is matcha powder.
Even though it's a little off topic and it's not mentioned in the Quran, matcha powder is absolutely amazing for your skin. You can use it in many different ways. You can use it as a toner, an exfoliant or a cleanser. It also helps with dry and irritated skin, acne prone skin as well, and of course it's a delicious drink. It can also improve the strength of the hair by decreasing the number of split ends, and it is also found to protect against hair loss as well. This mask is really thin in consistency, so what I did was wait for the first layer to dry a little bit and then apply a second layer as well for more effect. I always use face halos to remove my makeup and my masks. I think it's really effective, quick and easy, and I just dip it into lukewarm water and just squeeze out the excess and remove away. Even though these masks are highly effective and you see great results, it is somewhat temporary, so you really should be eating these ingredients and incorporate them in your daily diet for overall health.
I just did all the masks all together to show you consistencies and everything like that. I put them all on for about 15 minutes and my skin feels absolutely amazing. Obviously you can multi-mask with these ones as well. You can pretty much incorporate all of the ingredients into one mask. It feels amazing. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Hope you guys have a very blessed Ramadan. Until next time, bye.